Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to share with you how to fix the common problem of Redmi Android phones or any unit suffering this problem. That you can't download applications from your Play Store. And if you accidentally deleted your Play Store, I will also share it to you how to reinstall. But before that, if you're new in this channel, and you like topics related to technology, such repairing tutorials of computer, gadgets, softwares and more, please consider subscribing, and click the bell icon to be updated on our next videos. Thank you so much in advance and I appreciate. As you can see while I'm doing my intro, the message pop up, saying that you can't install the application. This is occurring in PixArt, Facebook Messenger, Lazada application and many more. Yes, it is very annoying problem. You tried so hard downloading the app, then at last it will says that you can't install the application you needed. And such a waste of data. This problem may be caused by your unit or phone. The application may needed or requires a higher version of Android. I can't also understand this error. This unit I am repairing does have a higher version of Android 10. But is still not working even I updated the softwares like Play Store and OS version is also up to date. Now to fix the problem, go to your application manager. Open Play Store. First, clear the cache, then clear data, or delete the Play Store. What I did last is I deleted the Play Store. Here you can see that I deleted the Play Store. Now I will show you how to download the Play Store back. In your browser or Google Chrome, go to Google and search for Old Play Store. Click the first suggestion, or click from AndroidAPKsFree.com. As you can see there's so many updates you can download. But I recommend to download the oldest update. You will see what year it was updated. You'll see the latest. Year 2021, year 2019, 18, and the year 2017. Which the oldest one? Just tap on it, then skip the ads if does have, and then click download. After you downloaded the APK for Play Store, install the app or APK. Now here is the newly installed Play Store that we download. Before proceeding to download application, turn off your Wi-Fi connection or internet, and go to Play Store settings and click the Play Protect, and click the setting icon. Then turn off the auto scanning to avoid blocking. Then after that you can proceed to download any applications you desire to download. That's all for our topic for today. Thank you so much for reaching this part of this video. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you in my next videos.